In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a frame to Facebook profile picture. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook application and next right here tap at your profile picture. Then tap on that big profile picture to bring up that options and here tap on Add Frame. There you can switch between that three categories like suggested, Facebook and flags, and in each category you can find a lot of different frames, especially in that two categories, and from here you can select a frame, let it be, for example, that one. It's just a flag, and from here I can switch between that flags here in that way. Also I can tap on edit and there I can tap somewhere add a profile picture and then add here some text or emoji, or I can draw here something or add a sticker and then I can tap on next. Also, from here you can tap on frames to change the frame. I can change another frame, and from here I can tap on make temporary to set how this frame will be shown on my profile picture. It can be 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week or custom. So if I tap on custom, there I can select the exact date and time when that frame will be removed from my profile picture. And the last thing that you can to set up is share your update to newsfeed. I recommend to uncheck mark this option not to show all your followers that you have changed your frame, or if you want to show, you of course can check mark it. And then once you are done with that, just hit on save to add that frame to your profile picture. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.